In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your MacBook. So if you have a latest or a new gen MacBook with an upgraded software, it's very easy to do it on that. You just have to open the app that you want to uninstall. For example, if I want to uninstall an application for a second, just give me a minute. Now, if I want to uninstall this application, DaVinci Resolve, I'll just right click or double click on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to the bin. And then from the bin, I'm just going to empty the bin. Now, this is the first way to do it. There are other ways to do it, because even if we move it to the bin and if we empty the bin, it's going to delete the app. However, it's going to leave a lot of traces behind, which we do not want, because those traces are going to take up space and we don't want that. So what we can do is we have to go here to the desktop and we have to type, for example, if I want to uninstall Hotspot Shield, which is a VPN software, we're going to write Hotspot Shield and then we are going to find every file that we have of Hotspot Shield. Sometimes the files won't show up here. So what we can do is we can click on this plus sign and then we can click here and click other. Here we have to click write system files. It's going to show up right here because those system files are very important. We have to delete them because then no junk gets left behind. So then we're going to click OK. And system files included. So now you can see these are all the system files of Hotspot Shield. What we need to do is we have to delete all them all together. And once when we delete it and then we empty the trash can, then it's gonna be gone from our system forever. You don't have to do anything at all. There's also another way through which you can do it. If you can spend some money and if you can buy an app. For example, I have this paid app by the name of Clean My Mac X. If you can get a paid app, it's going to do all this job for you without any hassle. You just have to type in the name of the program that you have in your Mac and then you have to click on uninstall and it's going to uninstall it right away. So you don't have to do all these steps if we have a paid program like that. But in some cases, if you don't have any paid program, so I've told you the ways how you can do it. So these two were the most effective ways to uninstall an app. I hope this video is helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.